Hello.com everyone, and this going to showing you how you actually start to see this kind of progress that is still to be ready, going about to uh, it's going on with very good to understand how you paste image into shape. First of all, what you're gonna do is about to start to go with certain shape like circle, big circle like this. Now what you're gonna do is about to take a file and then place an image. Then as you can see, the image can be really absolutely a part in front of you has been added. Now you're gonna start to place an image on the click on the image, but we can actually go back. So I will start to be serious first. So we have to start to place image first here and then place an image. Okay, now what you're gonna do is to see the image is not really placing. So if you are looking for placing the image insteadly after you import it, you will click on the shape. You will see the shape has been added. The image has been added to the shape, and that is actually how it works because it is already everything you go when it's really going to be very satisfied with situation that is almost every single progress. It's really doing on with that, and that's all about here to help you. And thank you for watching.